Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Want to make your text pop with color? I'll show you how in Canva. Click the Create button to start a new project. Select Custom Size and enter 200 by 200 pixels as your canvas dimensions. Next, navigate to the Elements panel in the sidebar. Browse through the available graphic elements to find the ones you want to use for your design. To add a colorful background, open the Settings panel, select Background, choose a vibrant color from the palette, and click Apply to confirm your changes. Go to the Apps section in your software. Type Text Art into the search bar to locate the Text Art feature. This will allow you to add creative text elements to your project. Select the Text Art Maker option from the menu. This tool allows you to design unique text visuals for your projects. Click it to begin creating and customizing text-based artwork easily. Select the image you want to use by clicking on it. Next, go to the top menu and click on File to access additional options for your selected image. Set this as the ground by clicking the Set as Ground button. Once you've done that, locate and click the Share button at the top of the screen. In the menu that appears, choose the Download option. This process is necessary to make sure your file is saved with the correct reference point. Follow these steps to ensure your design is ready and properly configured for sharing or further use. This is a premium image. To avoid using paid content, let's search for another element. Click the search bar, type the name of your desired element, and browse through the available free options. Select this image and set it as your background. Next, click the Share button. Then choose Download to save the final background image to your device. Click the Download button, then select PNG from the file type options to save your image. Delete the current item by selecting it and pressing Delete. Next, drag the item back onto the design canvas. Go to the App section in the left-hand menu, then choose Text Art from the available options. In the Text Art panel, select the file named D2. Press the letter A to open it. When it appears on your design, simply delete the placeholder text by selecting it and pressing Delete. Click in the text box and type XR to replace it with your desired content. Adjust the position or size as needed to fit your design preferences and ensure proper alignment. Next, reduce the density by adjusting the density slider to a lower value. This will make the effect less intense and create a more subtle result. Copy the provided code snippet. Open your file, then paste it directly into the appropriate section and save. Click the Insert tab at the top, then select your file to add it into your document. Click the Edit button to make changes or update your content as needed here. To add filters, click the Filters option in the sidebar. This opens the Filters panel, where you can choose from a variety of filter types. Select the filter you want to use, then adjust its settings as needed. You can add multiple filters by clicking the plus icon. When finished, apply the filters to your data. Filters help you focus on specific information. Select the item you want to work with by clicking on it. Ensure it is highlighted or checked before proceeding. This step is important for applying any changes or actions specifically to the selected item in the following steps of the process. To add a drop shadow effect, select your object or text, then go to the Effects panel and choose Drop Shadow. Adjust the settings as needed to achieve the look you want. Next, if you'd like to add a border, select the same object or text and look for the Border or Stroke option in your toolbar. Enable it and set your preferred color and thickness. Experiment with these settings for the best result. Select your layer and choose Send to Back to move it behind other elements. Next, click the Share button in the top right corner of your screen. In the drop-down menu, select Download. A dialog box will appear. Choose PDF Print as your file type to ensure high-quality output. Click the Download button to save your design as a PDF document onto your computer for printing or sharing. Now you know how to make eye-catching, colorful text in Canva. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more design tips.